Hey, greetings, everyone. I had a client ask me a question. What happens when you install Act on a new computer? How do you register it? Well, there can be two steps here. One, you can try to register it, but you might get a notice that it did not take. Having said that, sometimes what you have to do is go back to the first computer and unregister Act, or in essence, deactivate your license. So you'll notice this box right here. It says your license is activated. First, on the first computer where Act is currently registered, you have to deactivate the license before you can register it on the second or new computer. So it's a little bit of a new thing with Act where the number of licenses and the number of computers you can install it on has changed. So on that note, if you have to deactivate your license, let me show you how to do that. I'm going to click cancel. I'm going to go up to help. I'm next going to go down to Register Act. And once you get in here, you can deactivate the license. You click next, you go through the steps to deactivate your license, and you're good to go. And just keep following these steps, and you'll be able to deactivate it. Just like this. Okay. So now I've deactivated. I'm going to click back, and I'm all done. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. You have a great day. Be well. Bye now.